Lian-Baski line clipping algorithm. This is the next algorithm for clipping your line in the window. So what is this? This is the window and we want to display only the inner part of your line. I mean just this part, and outside the window you have to clip it. Don't use. So your final result will be like this after clipping your line. So we use the next line for the line clipping algorithm. We use a Lian-Baski line clipping algorithm because there is no repetition of any work. We just have to find out if this is outside or inside the window and find out the intersection. So first is the accept the endpoints A1, A, X1, Y1 and B, X2, Y2. So this is the B and this is the A, two endpoints of a line. Then read the XW minimum means this one. This is the one endpoint XW minimum, YW minimum, and this one is the XW max, YW max as the input. First step is to read the two endpoints of a line and two endpoints of your window. Next, we want to find out the PK and QK value, where K is 1, 2, 3, 4 because there are the 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4 sides. Okay, so we find out the PK and QK for that. So PK is what? Minus delta x means what? X2 minus x1. So there is a minus x2 minus x1. What is the Q1? It is x1 minus xw minimum. Means P1 minus P1 is equals to minus delta x. So x2 minus x1, which is minus. And Q1 is x1 minus xw minimum. Where is the xw minimum? This one. This is the xw minimum. So x1 minus xw1. We have to just find out the values. Next, P2 is equals to delta x. Again, delta x is what? X2 minus x1. And Q2 is what? W max minus x1. First, we are reading the values of A1 and A2. So we know that what is the x1, what is the y1, what is the x2, what is the y2. Then we are read the value of xw minimum and yw minimum, means windows lower values. Xw minimum, yw minimum, and minimum, and this is the maximum value, xw max and yw max. After that, we want to calculate the value of pk and qk using this formulas. Just we have to put that values in that formula. So there is a P3 is what again? Minus delta y means what? Y2 minus y1. Here Q3 is y1 minus xw minimum. If you want to remember this in the short way, first read A and B, two endpoints of a line. Then we read xw minimum, xw minimum, yw minimum, and xw max, windows maximum value, windows y maximum values. Then we want to find out the pk and qk for the four k is equals to 1 2 3 4 because there are the four lines in the window. If you want to remember how to remember this one, p1 and p3 are same, but p1 having the minus delta x and p3 having the minus delta y. in the form of x, P1, in the form of y, P3. Same. Q1, what is the Q1 is a x1 minus xw minimum. And in the Q3 also, there is a y1 minus xw minimum. Same. Just in P1 and Q1 use the x value, but in P3 use the y value. P3 and Q3. Same. P2 is delta x, P4 is delta y. Q2 having the xw max minus x1 and Q4 having the yw max minus y1. Same values but in the form of x and y. So if you remember only this, only this, P1 is minus x1 and P2 is x1 and Q1 is like this and Q2 is like this. So you have to write P3 and P4 like this. Just use the y instead of x. Only learn this. P1, what is the formula of P1 and Q1, what is the formula of P2 and Q2. So if you are using the window, this is the endpoints, then P1 is what? At left side. P2 is what? At the right side. P3 is at the bottom and P4 at the top. It's very easy to remember the P1, Q1, P2 and Q2 value. After that, if Pk is any value, Pk means 1, K is what? 1, 2, 3 and 4. If Pk is greater is equals to 0, the line is parallel like this. If this is a rectangular window and there is a line 1, line 2 and line 3. If we say that Pk is equals to 0, then this line is parallel to your boundary. This line is parallel to your boundary. Then the main thing, if Qk is less than 0, or at the same time, if Qk is less than 0, then line is outside the boundary. Then we are discard it. We are discard this line and we stop here. But if Qk is greater than or equals to 0, then it is inside the boundary. And we are find out the calculation intersection point. How to find out the calculation? There is a this point and this point. Here, if line is this, then there will be the x or y, some will be constant and we want to find out the next value. So here y is the constant, okay, or x is the constant. If line is like this, then will be the x or the y, mean someone will be the constant, okay. So this is like this. Here x is the constant. First, if line is like this parallel, then here y is the constant and we want to find out only x value. So if Pk is not equals to 0, then we are go to the step 4. If it is equals to 0, then it is a parallel to your boundary. Mean light will be like this. It is like this or like this. It is parallel to your boundary. If Pk is equals to 0. If Qk is less than 0, then it is outside the boundary and we are discarded. Like this. If it is like this, then we are discarded. If it is like this, then we are discarded. But if it is not equals to 0, then we are go to the step 4. What is the step 4? Is the Rk is equals to Qk upon Pk. What is the value of k? It is again 4. Only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Means 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what is Rk? It is a Qk upon Pk. We was saying that there is a What is value of P1, Q1, P2, Q2? Just we have to divide it. So there is a Qk upon Pk. So after that, we are to find out the U1, means first intersection point, by selecting the relative Rk as Uk. And this is very important. If we say that Rk means R1, R2, R3, R4, if this is a line parallel to your boundary, then outside it you are discarded. Then we find out the inner boundary point. This is the x y minimum and this is the x y max, and we just find out the calculations. But if it is not equals to 0, then we want to find out the r1, r2, r3 and r4. It is, what is the formula? It is the qk upon pk. So the next value, determine the u1 and u2. What is the value of u1 and u2? By relative rk as u1, means we want to find out the maximum value. Rk means if it is pk is less than 0, what pk is less than 0, then we find out the rk, means like that r1 is used and r3 is used where pk is less than 0. Then we used here this one r1 comma r3, we use here r1, r3 or 0, which is our maximum. Then we find out the maximum value like this. If pk is greater than 0, like this, there is a r2 and r4 is there. When pk is greater than 0, then we use u2 is r2 comma r4 comma 1, which is the minimum. Then we find out the minimum value. So if u1 and u2, in that there is a u1 is what maximum value and u2 is for the minimum value. So if u1 is greater than u2, then line is totally outside and we are discarded. But if it is not, then we find out the x1, y1, x2, y2. Means there is a line, sorry, there is a window. This is the line where x1, y1 and x2, y2 we want to find out. And after that, there is a only visible part is like this. And outside that window, we are remove it. So there is a point I, means I is x dash y dash, and I double dash is x double dash y double dash. This is the Lian basket. What happened here? First, just remember this thing. First, there are two endpoints of a line. There are maximum and the minimum value of Windows coordinate. Then we want to find out the P1, P2, P3 and P4 using the formula. Again Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4. So we find out the values of left, right, top and bottom. If there is a pk is equals to 0, then we find out the qk. Again, if it is a less than 0, then this is the outside the boundary and we are discarded it. But if it is a greater than equals to 0, then it is a inside and which is parallel to your boundary. So after that, we want to find out the value of Rk. Rk's formula is Qk upon Pk. What is the K? It is a 1, 2, 3, 4. There are the 4 lines of a window. So there are 4 values. And for that, there is a everyone. R1, this is the R2, this is the R3, and this one is the R4. And after that, we want to find out the intersection point. So we use the u1 and u2, which is the maximum value u1 and minimum value is u2. If u1 is greater than u2, it is a totally outside, because minimum and maximum, if there is a minimum value is greater than maximum value, then we are discarded. After that, we are calculating the inner points. So we want to find out the intersection point using this formula. What is x dash is equals to x1 plus u1 x1, and y dash is equals to y1 plus u1 into delta y. So in the Lian-Basky, there is one example like that. First, there is a x minimum and y maximum, x maximum, y maximum given. Points are given x1, y1, x2, y2. Then u minimum is 0 and u maximum is 1. They are considered there u. So left, this is r. R is equals to qk upon p1. Again, this is for the right, this is for the bottom, and this is for the top. We have to just put the values, and after that find out the x minimum, minimum, y minimum. Are you understand? It's a little bit difficult, but are you understand the concept of Lian-Basky algorithm? Arya, or have to repeat it? Is there is any doubt in the Lian-Basky algorithm? Just you have to remember the formulas. See, this is an example where just you know the xw minimum, yw minimum, yw max, p1 and p2. You have to only put it the values q1 upon p1, q2 upon p2 for the right, bottom, and after that find out the minimum and the maximum value, and find out the intersection points. Means we want to find out the I dash and I double dash values using this.